Powered by our proprietary blockchain technology, Export Portal prioritizes security, transparency, cost-effectiveness, and ease of use. This is so our partners can confidently trade, network, and communicate with other verified companies and experts from all over the world. The platform is designed specifically around the education and expansion of SMEs. While other trade hubs may offer a marketplace, they often charge substantial fees while providing little in the way of legal assistance or member protection. Export Portal seeks to connect SMEs from around the world and provide the resources they need to expand. Also, our services go beyond simply streamlining the supply chain. Our platform has systems to directly assist our members in every step of the transaction, from beginning to end, so that even inexperienced entrepreneurs can easily navigate their way to building a better business. In addition to maintaining easily accessible data between all parties, our team also assists in creating marketing strategies for our members' products to help them capitalize on their niche. It doesn't matter if the company is just starting in the trading world or is a veteran, if they are buying or selling, or if they are looking for more information about the trading landscape. The Export Portal ecosystem has all the tools, resources, and networks they need.
Through the combination of all these services, resources, information, and expertise, Export Portal does not only stand above other trade hubs, but we also provide SMEs with everything they need to stand out in the import-export industry. With Export Portal, SMEs have exponential growth opportunity, not just geographically, but within their verticals as well.
Sellers, manufacturers, buyers, and freight forwarders can transparently trade on Export Portal. Through the transparency we've incorporated into our business model, buyers and sellers can communicate directly. This allows the order process to move faster and more smoothly, and makes for a shorter transaction time, which means they save more money. The process begins with sellers and manufacturers using Export Portal as their virtual showroom, showing off their products to buyers worldwide. Buyers can in turn search for the products they need. After selecting their desired products and completing a purchase order, a buyer's full payment will be placed in escrow until all products have been received from the seller.
Export Portal was created with ease of use in mind. We understand that time is money, especially for SMEs. However, a typical international trade transaction can require up to 20 different documents and 30 different players at any given time. Our platform ensures that everything is kept in one place. Our platform essentially eliminates delays, intermediaries, and lost documents. It saves both time and money for all parties involved.
We also have a freight forwarding portal, so logistics and shipment is also taken care of on Export Portal. Certified international freight forwarders can openly bid on orders, so buyers can pick the option that works best for their shipment needs. While products are in transit, buyers or sellers will have open access to real-time updates to guarantee smooth delivery. Buyers will also be notified that products are undergoing customs inspection on the platform. In short, users never need to leave Export Portal while completing an international trade transaction.
Export Portal is solving all the problems in international trade, potential for fraud or scams, cybersecurity threats, lengthy and costly processes, and otherwise inaccessible opportunities for small business. We're also continually adding new features to support our users in international trade better. Our end goal is to create a platform that makes global trade accessible for anyone, anywhere, regardless of their experience levels. Check out Export Portal today to get started.